Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I got the Keurig K-Slim single serve coffee maker. Yep, that's right. I've got the new one, the new model. It's super slim. It's awesome. And I bought it because the last two models that I have, which I still have them, I'm selling them on OfferUp, is they're just too bulky and big, and they've gotten old, and they don't perform like they're supposed to as a coffee maker. It's not making the coffee good enough. But anyways, it's a multiple cup reservoir, space saving, 3 cup sizes, and it's fast and fresh brew. I'm not sure if it's the Keurig 2.0 thing that came out a while back ago, but it's slim and it's modern. So let's unbox it and see what's inside, guys. And by the way, it has fast brew. So what fast brew means is that it brews the coffee fast, technically. Ah, you know. And the first thing you get here, is a hello, you know. And then a couple of other things here, like here's your first perk. Visit Keurig.com/new to enjoy 50% off beverages. Yeah. Some 50% off stuff. And here we've got the instruction manual. That's kind of like the first thing you get in the packaging. I think it's always the thing you get at the beginning of the packagings when I do my unboxing. That's the first thing I always see. Except for that one unboxing that I was like, where's the manual? And the manual was all the way at the bottom. Oh look, coupons. They gave me coupons. Cool. And this is the registration form to register the coffee maker. But of course, I'm gonna be registering it online because it's the fastest way. Come on, guys, we live in the modern times. Nothing else inside the box. So the box was, that's about it. It's really just much the coffee maker now. Here you have your add water disc. Whoops. Here you have your add water descale, 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, and the power button. And here's where you lift the lid. And then here's the water reservoir, you know. Oh no, actually this is the water reservoir too. Look how much water you can put. That's the reason why I got this one, because the other one was like very tiny, and you can only put 1 cup of water at a time. This one kills that. So every morning when I wake up to go to work, yes, I go to work, a YouTuber that goes to work. Anyways, that was about it. And you can get those K-cup pods, stick them in here, and well, There's really not much to show. That's just it. Oh, and of course the plug. The plug is kind of short. Huh. But anyways, that was the unboxing of the Super K-Slim new modeled coffee maker from Keurig. Which, by the way, the Keurig website has it at $55 or $59 on a special deal because it's 50% off or something. I got it at Walmart for $79, so because I really needed it badly and I couldn't wait. So anyways, always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe on my videos. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye bye.